Now that your account is set up, let's configure whether bank details should be validated on incoming documents. Navigate to Pryme AP Automation Setup. Here, you will find two main sections: the general settings for posting date options and the bank details validation settings. Turning the Global Bank Details Validation setting on enables automatic checks for all incoming documents across the company. When enabled, you can choose to apply it in bulk for all existing vendors or limit it to new ones. Let's choose bulk updates and keep this as the default for all vendors. You can also choose which details to validate, such as IBAN, SWIFT code, bank account number, or branch number. This is the global configuration for the company. Nonetheless, individual vendors can also have specific validation rules. On the vendor card under Invoicing, you can override the default settings and choose which bank details to validate for that vendor only. This level of flexibility ensures tailored control over vendor transactions. When bank details validation is enabled, the system automatically checks for any discrepancies between incoming documents and the bank details on the vendor card. When a document's bank details do not match the vendor's registered details, Pryme AP Automation automatically flags it in red as a failed incoming document. Click on the Failed Incoming Documents tile to view documents that require review and correction before proceeding. In this case, the bank details validation failed because the IBAN on the incoming document doesn't match the IBAN on the vendor card. Cross-check the details against the PDF viewer on the right to ensure accuracy. Additionally, you can open the vendor card to verify the bank details. Once corrections are made, you can either send feedback to the AI engine to improve future accuracy or override the error manually by clicking on Create Document. You'll get a warning if there are any bank details that deviate from the ones on the vendor card. Override the warning if necessary. Once validated, the Failed Document tile clears and the invoice moves to the next stage, ready for review. Gain total control over bank validation, ensuring secure, error-free transactions every time. Turbocharge your AP in Business Central with Pryme.